Hello everyone, welcome back to our new video. In this video, I will give you more information about the top 5 best chalkboards that are available on the market. Actually, I try to make popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinion and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the link description section below. Don't forget subscribe this channel for view future videos. Let's start this videos. Starting at number 5, we have Versa Chalk Standing Chalkboard. If you own a quaint little restaurant or gift shop, this is one of the decorative chalkboards to complement the decor of the exterior. The Versa Chalk Rustic Tabletop Chalkboard comes with patented standing, which is comfortable for foldings and holdings. Besides the standing and leg, the item has a small chalk ledge that can hold or place marker or other pieces of chalk. What is more, the wood frame surrounded the chalkboard is the perfect idea for decoration as it gives the vintage look. Above all, the chalkboard has a magnetic surface that enables the notes and reminders sticking on notes. Lastly, the cleansing is much easier as it only needs to be wiped with Versa Chalk Chalkboard Cleaner or damp clothes. Moving on at number 4, we have boarddudes Magnetic Chalkboard. The main function of boarddudes chalkboard is the magnetic surface. Such a surface works perfectly for any kind of drawing or writing. Designed with black color, it makes other colors of chalk, markers or pencils to be more visible when written on the board. On top of that, the board is easy for cleansing as it only needs to be wiped using a cloth or the board eraser. Apart from that, users can also use it as the decorative chalkboard for displaying at the restaurant, wedding, and other parties too. Because of its compact size, lightweight construction, and magnetic build, it can also be used to display any fridge magnets. At number 3, we have porcelain steel wall-mounted chalkboards. The Versa Chalk Rustic Wood-Framed Magnetic Chalkboard can be used to magnetically stick notes, reminders, travel souvenirs and more. Users can hang the chalkboard on the wall vertically or horizontally with the support from the pre-installed wall mount. Furthermore, it is designed with a wood frame which gives a vintage vibe and fits well with farmhouse decoration. Specifically made from non-porous porcelain, the chalkboard's surface is protected from stains, scratches or other possible damages. The surface sizes of the chalkboard are designed with 3 types. The bigger the size, the more available spaces for to-do lists, chore charts, reminders, lettering or more. At number 2, we have Premium Surface Magnetic Chalkboard. The main and foremost function of the chalkboard is the magnetic surface. Such a surface can be magnetically stuck with pictures, notes, reminders or other important messages. The rustic wood grain decor frame chalkboard is easy for wall mount including vertical or horizontal positions. Other than that, the liquid chalk markers can be cleaned or erased effectively and easily using wet clothes or other chalk products. Designed with a premium chalk surface, there is no worry about possible stains, scratches or damages. The surface of the chalkboard is 18 inches wide and 22 inches high. The size provides big spaces that can be used for various purposes including writings and serving as the home decoration display rack. And finally at number 1. X-Board Magnetic Framed Chalkboard. The X-Board Magnetic Black Chalkboard is like a bulletin board which can be magnetically stuck with messages, notes, calendar, or pictures. The chalkboard has mounting hardware which makes it easy to be hung on a wall vertically or horizontally. The chalkboard is a mixed creation of aluminum frame with a corner of tough nylon which is durable and not harmful. The size provides big spaces for teaching, drawing or putting notes. Plus, it will work with standard white and colored chalk, pin magnets, blackboard markers, and other office board equipment. This is also considered a quality chalkboard for kids too. Once the work is done, a quick wipe and the board is ready for playtime. Thank you for watching guys, I hope you like this video. If this video helped for you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related this product, you can leave a comment down below. I hope back to you as soon as possible.